Hey guys, today I'll be going over a cleaning process on a Westernfield Model M72 chambered in 3030. So when you're cleaning this, make sure to keep the scope covers on if you have any. So let's get started. Caulk the action, and just like every other gun, get your bronze brushes. Go down the barrel 3 or 4 times. Okay, and I don't have a cloth brush in 3030, so we're gonna go straight to patches. And just like every other gun, you do the gun cleaning oil first. And if you have a 3030 at home, use half patches like I'm using right now. Run this through a few times. Once you've done that, take a dry patch, get all the excess oil out of there so it doesn't mess up your shot or whatever. And last of all is the lubricating oil. Don't need a lot of it, just a dot or two. Just make sure it's actually exposed and touching the inside of the barrel, or else you're not doing yourself any good. Now we're done with all the patchwork. Now what I usually do is take that lubricating oil again, put it on a Q-tip, and rub all the inside, all the innards. Rub the lever back here, all the guide rails, everything inside. Make sure that's all running good. Make sure you get the hinges on the lever, because you don't want that sticking when you're trying to put a second shot downrange at a deer or whatever you're shooting. So we got all that. Now you just grab a rag, just a normal rag, nothing special. Take that lubricating oil and rub this around the outside of the gun to protect it from weather and all that's happening. Put it on everything. You don't want this to rust either. Make sure you get both sides. Okay, now once you're done with that, take a different spot on the rag, a dry spot, and go down all the metal that you rubbed again. Get all that excess oil off. And once you're done with that, you're done. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. See ya.